Everyone in this world was either born with a talent or must have learnt a skill throughout the journeys of life, and that's why in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys one of the easiest ways to use that thing to earn money online. But before proceeding into what today's video is about, based on the channel's customs, you're highly welcome if you're a new member. And here on this channel, I am KidCast, and I do upload highly informative content majorly based on how to make money online, business ideas, business strategies, and so much more based on how to use artificial intelligence to make money online. So yeah, let's get started. Now, the first thing I need you all to do is to think about that talent I spoke about earlier on in the video, or that skill you just learned, the basic. Think about that right now. It could be fashion designing, it could be video editing, it could be how to dance, it could be, typography, it could be whatever skill, whatever talent you feel you can do. Now, let's assume the worst scenario. Probably you have multiple options. Now, I need you to select one that you know people need in the society today. Now, once you've done that, let me show you how you're going to make money from it. Okay, so I need you all to go to the site selar.co. This is the first thing you all need to do. Go to the site selar.co, okay? You can do this on your mobile device. It's basically the same thing. Okay? In fact, it's even easier on your mobile device. So no excuses that you don't have a PC. It's the same thing, okay? So go to the site selar.co, and now all you want to do to get started, in case you don't have an account, is to click on start selling over here. And now once you click on start selling, all you want to do is to insert your email address over here, your full name, and then a password. Okay, you basically want to insert your email, full name, and password, and then click on create account. Or you can just make things faster by clicking on Google account or Facebook account, okay, to make things faster for yourself. Now, once you've created the account, you'll be taken to the main Selar dashboard. Let me log into my account so you guys can see what I'm talking about, okay? And I'm inside my account. So all I need you all to do is immediately you've created your account and then you've logged in. This is basically how it's going to look like, okay? So all you want to do is to click on add a product, okay? You're going to see add a product, okay? And then once you've added a product, all you want to do is to scroll down here to where we have service, okay? Now remember, I said you must have written down the one thing you're going to be doing, okay? Don't be a multiple personnel. You need to have a single thing you're going to focus on, okay? So now you want to click on next here in the service, okay? So you want to click on next. All right, so guys, this is basically where you're going to be adding your details, okay? So this is how it's going to work. This is how it's going to work. You're going to have to, own or create a Facebook group, or create a WhatsApp group, or create whatever social media group you can actually think of. Now, immediately they make the payment, okay, because we're actually going to be putting a price here, okay? Immediately they make the payment, they're going to be linked to that group. Now, on that group, you must have already created what you're going to be teaching them, okay? Probably you're going to write it down in a jotter that this is what I'm going to teach them, this is what I'm going to teach those people that actually make the payment in the group, okay? Let's say, for example, it's about fashion designing, okay? So let's say you're gonna be teaching them based on class 1, class 2, class 3. So those that make the payment, probably they're gonna go to class 1. Let's say you're gonna be charging 5,000 naira, okay? So once they make the 5,000 naira payment, they are being linked to that group you created. Now you want to ensure that yes, you actually provide what you're gonna be showing here in Selar, okay? It's very important. Yes, you're gonna make the money, but please and please make sure you provide the value. Make sure you provide the value, okay? It's gonna last you a longer time if you provide the value compared to actually using it for a thing that you're actually not saying you're gonna showcase, okay? You want to ensure that yes, you are gonna showcase that value. You're gonna teach them that thing they're actually paying for. Please and please, okay? All right, so now all you want to do over here is to drop an image based on that thing, that skill you are going to be teaching them, okay? You want to drop an image based on that thing. Let's say I want to teach people how to cook, or let's say I want to teach people fashion designing or graphic design, okay? In order to get the picture, I can quickly come here and then open Canva, okay? I can quickly open Canva over here and then just come here to where you have covers or normal pictures, okay? So it's loading and loading. This is in case you don't have a picture. If you have a picture or you already have a service, you can as well just paste it here. Okay, just click on this and then paste it here. But I don't have a picture here, so I'm going to come here to Canva, and then you want to click on create a design, and then you can go for a flyer or a logo, whatever one. Let's just go for a flyer. Please and please remember, if you have a picture, you can just upload them here. If you already have a picture of something you're going to be showcasing, let's say you want to teach people about graphic design, and you want to teach people about importation, and you already have pictures, you can just paste them over here. All right, but then I do not have a picture based on this fashion design I want to do, so that's why I'm coming to Canva to make things easier for myself. So now that I'm in Canva, all I need to do here is to search for fashion design or design. Okay, let's just look for fashion shows, something related to fashion. All right, so let's go for this one, let's go for this one, let's go for this one. All right, so I'm just gonna change these. I'm gonna delete this one, I'm gonna delete this one, delete this one, and then I can say fashion design class. Okay, fashion design, and then I'm gonna copy this one again, drag it down over here, and then I can just put class. All right, I can put class by Kid Kes. Okay, please, you want to do the same thing. Follow all I'm showing you guys right now. Please follow it closely. Okay, and then you just want to drag this over here. In case you want to understand Canva more, okay, I'm going to drop a link to my full Canva course so you guys can actually learn it for free. All right, so you want to make it look like this. Okay, class by Kid Kes, and then you can see Canva over here. We have a watermark, so I'm just going to delete these. Okay, we do not want more watermark in our design, so I'm going to come here to where we have elements over here, and then I'm going to search for fashion. Okay, I'm going to search for fashion. Okay, and then as you guys can see, we're going to have several pictures and graphics design based on fashion. Okay, so I'm just going to look for something free. Okay, I'm going to go for this one, and then we can as well add some other pictures just to make it look very catchy. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce this and then drag this downwards. Okay, so we have like two pictures side to side. Okay, so let's drag this as well. Okay, and then we can draw these and drag this up. So basically the idea is you want the picture to look very nice, because this is what we're going to be using to make our money. Okay, it's going to be a major factor. All right, so I'm just going to change these to let's go for white, and then I'm going to change this as well to white. Okay, so we're going to make this white as well, and then we're going to go for fashion and make it white as well. So please and please, you're going to do the same thing for whatever selection you've made. If it's going to be graphic design, if it's going to be dancing, if it's going to be singing, whatever thing you know that you have the talent for, or you've learned part of it, even if it's just the basic. Okay, and once you're done with these, all you want to do is to click on share over here, click on download over here, and then download it. Okay, it's that easy. It's so easy. And once it's done downloading, all you want to do is to come back to Selar over here. Okay, as you guys can see, it's almost done downloading over here. Okay, and once it's done downloading, all you want to do is to click on this place, drag and drop your product images or browse, and then click on downloads and then click on it. So as you guys can see, this is basically what they're gonna see. Okay, this is basically what they're gonna see. Okay, let me re-upload this. Okay, it was still downloading. Okay, so let me upload it and then click on this. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are done. So this is basically what's gonna show to our customers, our viewers, our new learners, okay, our clients. All right, okay, and now the next thing you want to put over here is the name. Okay, so I'm gonna go for fashion design class for beginners by Kid Kes. Okay, by Kid Kes. Please, you can follow me. In fact, you can be doing this at the same time, okay, if you want, or you can keep on watching the video and watching the video so as to understand what I am showing you guys right now. Now, this is where you're going to insert the price. Okay, this is where you're going to insert the amount of the class. Okay, so I'm going to insert 5,000 naira. Okay, you want to insert 5,000 naira, whatever price you feel would actually worth it. Okay, and now we have a place called the show strike out original price. This is very necessary in terms of marketing. All right, so I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to put the original price as 25,000 naira. Okay, and then on the page it's going to show a strike out 25,000 naira, and then like a bonus price of 5,000 naira. This is just a marketing strategy. All right, now this is where you want to insert the description of the service. Now, to make things easy, I'm going to open my ChatGPT account right now. Okay, in case you don't have a ChatGPT account, you can as well do this on your mobile device. Please do not say because you don't have a PC, it's an excuse. It's the same thing. Open ChatGPT on your mobile device and then just want to log in. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm logging in right now with my account, and then I'm just going to continue with my Google account to make it faster. All right, so I'm going to click on this over here. You want to do the same thing. Now, what are we going to use ChatGPT for? We're basically going to use ChatGPT to create the description of the service. Okay, so as you guys can see over here, write me a fashion class description, okay, description to get many customers or students, okay, and then enter. So as you guys can see, ChatGPT is basically going to write every single thing for us, and in order to make things easier, like I said, you want to ensure that yes, once they make the purchase, you're actually going to deliver what you're saying. So all these things ChatGPT listed, okay, you just want to copy it over here, and then you want to write it down and ensure that what you're about to paste there is something you're actually going to teach them. And if you see anything ChatGPT wrote down and you're not going to teach them, that you can as well delete it. Okay, so now all I'm going to do over here is to come back here to the description, and then I'm going to paste it over here. And as well, I can do Control A and then make every single thing bold. So they're going to know that they're going to learn about, style identity, identification, trend spotting, how to trend the sport, what is trending, how to trend things that are actually classy right now. And then you can as well teach them about wardrobe essentials, those things they should have in their wardrobe, and the rest. And now what we have next over here, if you scroll down, is categories. Okay, you want to select the category of your service. It's based on fashion. So let's see, we have things related to fashion. We have lifestyle over here, we have fashion and wears. Okay, so I'm going to go for fashion and wears. And then in case you have a subcategory, probably it's for men and women or whatever, or if it's for everyone, you can as well just leave it this way. But let's just go for women. Okay, it doesn't really mean. Okay, and now in case it has a multiple variant service, you can as well leave this, just skip this. All right, once you've done this ones, you just want to scroll down here, see where you have automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after purchase. Now immediately they pay the sum of 5,000 naira. Now it has gone to your account. Yeah, so now it's time for you to provide the value. It's time for you to showcase your talent. It's time for you to showcase that skill you're actually learning. Like I said, even if it's the basic, you can as well keep improving yourself while teaching others. It's the same thing. You're basically making your money. Okay, this is one of the best ways you can actually make your money. All right, now all you want to do over here is to paste the link of that WhatsApp group you created or your Facebook group you created. This is where you want to paste that link, and ensure that the link is only for those that make the purchase. Okay, so let's say it's going to be WhatsApp group or it's going to be a Facebook group. Okay, you just want to paste your group. Let's say it's Facebook. Okay, let me just go to Facebook real quick and show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, let's open Facebook. Okay, let's open facebook.com. all right, facebook.com, and let's log in real quick. But then you can as well do this with your WhatsApp group. That's why I said using a mobile device is even easier, because you can as well just go to your WhatsApp and then paste the link directly over here, and then just click on create product. But then if you're using Facebook, you basically want to do the same thing. You want to create a Facebook group. Okay, this is groups over here. All right, and then you want to click on create new group. This is where you're going to insert the name of the group. Let's say fashion design class 1. And then you want to insert privacy. We're going to make it private. All right, you want to do the same thing for your WhatsApp group. And then in case you want to invite friends, which we're not doing, this is basically based on paid service. And then you want to click on create, and then you've created your fashion design class. It's that easy. All you want to do next is to copy that link. Okay, you want to copy the link. This is share over here. You want to click on share, and then you want to come here to copy link, and then come back here to Selar and then paste the link. So immediately they make the purchase, they're going to be shown this link and then redirected to your Facebook group. Okay, they're going to be part of your Facebook fashion design class group. And very important, ensure that you set up this your page. Okay, ensure you add the pictures, ensure you add the necessary photos and the rest. You want to ensure that you set up the group properly. You want to ensure you set up the group professionally. Okay, and now once you're done with this, all you want to do is to click on create product, and you're basically done. You are basically done. Right now, your site, your product, your service is actually live. This is the link over here to the service. Okay, if I click on it right now, you guys are going to see how it's going to look like to the customer. As you guys can see, fashion design class. Okay, as you guys can see, you can see the cutout price of 25,000 naira, and it's actually selling for 5,000 naira. Okay, now this is how it's going to look like, and then immediately they're ready to buy, they're going to click on buy now, make the purchase, and then it goes to your bank account. Now, in case you haven't set up your bank account, it's very easy to set up your bank account. It's very easy. You just want to go to your normal seller dashboard. Okay, you want to go back to your normal seller dashboard, and then you just want to add your payment details in settings. Okay, it's that easy. In case you want to understand further, I'm going to drop a video to how to properly set up your seller account in the description down below. Okay, so guys, this is basically how it's going to look like, and then immediately people make the purchase, they're going to be redirected to your Facebook group. Please ensure you provide that value. If possible, write down in the jotter what you're going to be teaching them and already prepare it down. Immediately, people start entering. Probably you already have like 10 people in the group. Now you want to ensure that yes, you start showcasing, you start rendering that value you said you were going to showcase. Okay, they're paying you for it, so you want to ensure you deliver. Please, you want to ensure you deliver. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you can actually start making money today. And it's not just today, it's every single day, because it's something you are blessed with, or something you keep on developing while teaching others and still making money simultaneously. So yeah, guys, if you surely learned a lot from this video and you surely still haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. If you have questions, make sure to drop down in the comments. Make sure to drop them down in the comment section. I am definitely going to respond to the questions. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a whole lot from today's video. And make sure to share it out if you want to share it out. And also drop a like on the video. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.